all right. We have a treat for you. This, as you know, is the Traxxas Funco. We're gonna go take you to a special spot today, but first I've got to get it ready. We're gonna put on some street wheels. We are not gonna need paddles where we're going, and maybe clean it up a little bit. We're gonna take it to a spot it's never been before. We've taken it to sand dunes, we've jumped it over the LA River, we jumped it off a roof, BMX dirt jumps. It is one of the most badass cars, 8S, two-wheel drive, kind of like an XRT, but looks way better from every angle. It looks freaking beautiful. Got some drivers in there, some scale. This isn't a review video. This is an action video. We're gonna go to a secret spot that I've never been to before. I know where to park. I have no idea how to get there. We're gonna just try and find our way. It's a legendary spot for BMXers and skateboarders since the 70s or who knows when. Come along with us and hopefully we find it. Oh God. Got it. Oh, death is that way. So we made it to the spot and it's definitely a thing. This is way cooler than I expected, although it's scary as yeah! Yes! Made it. Still scary as shit. Zach's about to jump this thing over here and we'll get it going. Baldy pipeline lived up to the hype. You could see why it's legendary. When you're here, it's just epic. It's so big. And Funco handled it. Zack handled it. Now, all that's left to do is get back across this gap. So hopefully I don't die. Yeah. I'm so glad I didn't die.